It's the Stitch Fix Day!
Yay!
Welcome to our channel, Southern Bells. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And this is my April Stitch Fix, and it's kind of falling out.
It's falling out everywhere.
If you do not know about Stitch Fix, it is a clothing styling service, and you can go and fill out a profile on their website, of which I will leave a link down below. And if you are interested and you use that link, then you get a $25 credit towards a purchase, and I get a $25 credit towards a purchase. But they send you 5 items, whether it's clothing or jewelry or
shoes or bags
or scarves or things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And you get to try it on in the convenience of your own home to see what you have to go with it, because that's always the hardest part, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And whatever you do not want, then there is a return envelope. We just mail it in our mailbox outside. We're in a rural area. And it's free postage both ways. And let's see, it's a $20 styling fee. And if you purchase anything, that $20 goes towards your purchase. I think I covered it all.
Think so.
And before I forget, if you like Stitch Fix videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the thumbs up, and that way, we usually do these, once a month, maybe? So that way you'll see
what we get.
That's right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
Okay, here we go.
The items. Oh, let's see who my stylist is.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just kicked the camera, so if you saw a shake, that's why.
We're not going to look at the prices yet.
No, okay, so you want me to read the styling?
Is Nichole my stylist?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I have had her for a while, and she is wonderful. I asked for some basic classic pieces because if you've watched our other videos, you know I'm trying to build my classic wardrobe.
Right.
And I did ask for a pop of color sprinkled in, though. So, okay, so here is the first item, and it does look classic. It does look like a classic style. It's a collared shirt. It is button up, and it has the black stripes. I'm interested to see how that works. It is kind of thin. It's sheer. I would have to wear something under it. And in the South, in the summer, that gets kind of
tricky because it's hot.
Yeah, and humid. And
yeah.
So we'll see. It does have the tab sleeves, which I can wear tab sleeves. They're not my favorite, but I can wear them. And the only thing is, if like later on when it does start getting cooler again or whatever, you know, will this fit in under a jacket well? So we'll see. But I do like it. I like the idea of it.
Okay.
Okay. This is the one Rebecca likes.
Yeah, I love the color of this next item.
And this isn't so much a classic style, but it is a pretty
I really like that.
It has the elastic sleeves. And
it's got pretty detail.
Yeah, it is a pretty, I can't think of what you call it at the moment, but it's not really, it's not really eyelet, I guess, but it kind of reminds me of it.
That's nice.
So that is a pretty color, and I do have some tops that color. Okay, my favorite color is purple, and I think this is one of my first purple tops.
And that's nice and summery.
It's not really a polka dot, but it is similar, and
I like that top a lot.
I was going to say it's not exactly like what I have, the style I have.
That would be perfect for a Furman game.
Yeah.
Furman is the college that we both went to, and their colors are like purple and white, so this will be perfect to go to a football game at the beginning of the summer.
And it is a polyester, so it's kind of that crepey.
And I don't think this will be see-through. Like if you, I don't think you would have to wear anything underneath it.
We'd have to see. So, okay, that's pretty. All right. Okay. This is another. I like the pattern of this. This is kind of heavy.
It is. It's got an interesting shape to it. It looks like it clings.
It's a knit type, and it is kind of a wrap or what do you call that? Surplus type. Top. Actually, the shape of this is the shape that I tend to gravitate towards. If it's not, if it's not too clingy, it's not really a peplum, by any means, but it does give that little bit of a flare, and I'm short-waisted, so if it hits me right, that's usually the style that I think suits me better. But we'll see. This is a navy. Nichole knows me. She knows I love navy. It's got some pinks and golds and grays and white in it, so that's pretty. And then the last item I have is some type of knit. It's black and white, and oh, it's a
dress.
It's a dress.
Okay, it looks like it's going to be midi length.
Yeah. I think that would look nice with a jean jacket.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That is very classic too, I'd say.
Yep. Oh, and it's got a little
like it cinches.
Can you see this little twist right here? That's going to be interesting. Knit dresses again are tricky for me. I laugh, and I've said it before. You know, I have one hip that's a little bit higher than the other, and sometimes things just don't lay right because I'm, you know, it's just out of whack. But we'll see.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what they look like.
So now we're going to go try these things on. We'll be right back.
So this is the Mason & Bell Liana Smart Detail Top in Coral, and it cost $42. I haven't heard of this brand before, Mason & Bell, in Stitch Fix.
I'm not sure if I have or not. I told Rebecca I love the color. This color is beautiful, and so is the detailing. But I'm not really crazy about the style. So this is probably going to be a no.
This is the 41 Hawthorne Benny Wrap Front Moss Crepe Top in Navy, and it is $44. I really like this one on you. It's very flattering.
This style of top usually works well with me. I'm short-waisted. I don't really have a waist, so to speak. So I feel like it comes in just enough, but yet it doesn't cling so much that it shows my uneveness down here. I like it, and one of my favorite things, I really like sleeveless tops because I get so warm. I really do. And I think the ones that cut in just slightly right here are the most flattering for my shoulders as well. And I love that it's not too low. Even though it's a wrap top, I like where it hits. I like where the V comes. It's not so low that I'm self-conscious. So this is a definite maybe.
Yeah.
This is a probably, I'm going to say.
I like that one.
Although I didn't hear what the price was.
I think it was $44.
Okay. I do like it, and yeah, I like it a lot. So on to the next one.
This also is by 41 Hawthorne. It is the McLean split neck blouse in purple, and it's $38, the cheapest thing in your fix. And you know what? I think it's also my favorite so far.
I like this. And it is flowy down here, but like Rebecca said, it's still, it's not just super big. It's flowy. But
yeah, it's still slimming even though it's flowy.
And I just tried it with the denim jacket, and I like the way that looks as well. So, of course, denim jackets pretty much go with everything, don't they?
They're very complimentary.
All right, and this is thinner, but it's very cool the way it is.
And you're not wearing anything underneath it as far as like a tank top or anything?
Mm-mm.
So yeah, I think that will be perfect for, like if you're going on vacation or something like that and it's going to be warm.
So
that's
it's
a nice top.
It's not cut too far
on
the shoulders either. I like this type of neckline too. So, and I like the way the shoulders are. So yeah, this is a very big possibility as well. Okay, to the next one.
Okay, so this is the Fortune and Ivy Holly button-down blouse in white, and it's $42. I like it, but I don't think it's your style.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with it, and I will say this is what, maybe 75 degrees today here, and I'm really hot. I'm hot in it already, the material that it is. I tried it. I've seen people style like this with one down, and I thought, no, that's not really me. And so I tried it out.
I like how you had it styled.
And then I tried it tied, you know. I like the idea of it. I like the stripe. You know how I'm looking for that white button-up or button-down
Right.
button-up shirt? If this were made in a more cottony type material, I think I might go for it a little bit more, but the polyester is just simply going to be
Too hot.
way too hot. But I like a lot of the elements of it. I like the stripes going down. Yeah. So, but I don't think this would be, I don't think I'd wear it because I think I would just be hot. So, okay, I have the dress left.
Okay, so this is the dress. It is Vero Moda. It's Ziana knit dress in black, and it is $58.
Okay, you noticed I kept my jacket on. And I'm tempted to keep it on, but you know, full disclosure on this channel, right? Okay. With the jacket on, it doesn't look so bad, but when I take it off, no. No. This, which I thought was an interesting detail and would probably work on a lot of people, just simply does not work on me. It emphasizes the part that I'm most self-conscious about being not symmetrical or whatever you want to say. Again, there are elements of this that I like. I like the stripes. I like the color. It feels really good. It's very soft. I like the length okay, but yeah, this one, no. I just don't think I would, well, I know I would never wear it because I would be way too self-conscious in it. If this wasn't here and it was just kind of flowy right here, I mean, I like where it hits the waist. I do like that part of it. But yeah, so, okay, so let's do our wrap up. Okay, so I think this was actually a pretty good box.
Yeah, it was a good box. And sometimes you don't want to love everything in your box financially, you know. So it's nice to get a few pieces maybe that you like.
And this was a very, for Stitch Fix, this was a reasonably priced box, and I appreciate that very much. The total or subtotal was $224 for the whole box. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount, and that would have taken $56 off to give us a total of $168. So for Stitch Fix, pretty good.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And you know, I really wanted to like this dress so much. I did, but
it just, you know, it just wasn't right this time.
I told Rebecca I would love though to have a top just like this. The color, the stripes and everything, like a little t-shirt top. I think that would be cute to add to my wardrobe. So there were a lot of good things about it, but just not for me.
Right.
And then this one again, beautiful color, but just not what I'm. Now this would be cool. I will say that.
Yeah, it would
be.
The material would be cool.
But it's just really not what I'm looking for at the moment. And same with this. This was very close to something I would keep.
It was just hot.
But yeah, it was hot. And then there was just something about it, some element of it that, I'm not even sure what the element is, but some element that just didn't work. Okay. Now, I would like your input about these two tops. I did like these two.
I like that a lot.
I like the shape of it. This one's very cool. Yeah, I like the color. So that's a very good possibility. And then this one just made me feel good. And taking advice from Miss Linda Roy at Mature Sass, that's what it should do. It should make you feel good in it. And I did feel good. It's a little bit heavier, but yeah, I could see a lot of possibilities.
That's really, I like that piece.
I think you could really dress this up. You know, if you had some
with the right
navy
jewelry
slacks or white slacks. So those are the two that I'm looking at, and I think one was $44 and the other was $38.
That is correct.
So it'd be about what, $82?
Which isn't bad.
Like that. So I don't know. It's just some things to think about. Let me know what you think. You know, am I making the right decisions, or would you choose something else if you were me? We would love to hear your comments, and as always, we thank you so much for tuning in and listening to us. And we hope to see you back. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. We would love to have you join our little family here. You have anything to say?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right. Well, until next time, have a great day.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.